Hello everyone, in today's video we will look into the e-commerce module functionalities and do some exploration about this module in Odoo 16. Okay, so in the previous video we have see a glimpse of how we can customize a website, and we have made a website for the specific company, Decoholic, a furniture company. And so now we will focus on the e-commerce part, and we will be going through this scenario and see how this e-commerce module can help the company. Okay, so PT Decoholic is a furniture company that they want to captivate an online presence, and then they're making an e-commerce solution from this website, and they want to sell one of their products. But in this scenario we will focus in one of the products, which is the acoustic block screen, where there will be some customization, some attributes from these products, and there is also a customer that wants to buy that products, and he will be applying some discount code while buying that product. Okay, and so the first thing we need to make sure in the e-commerce module, we can first go to the setting, and then as we are making this website before, just from the templates, maybe we can also see how it looks first before we make any changes. Okay, so now I will just open the site and home page. We are in, yep, okay. So now we are in, alright, so this is the home page actually. Let's, okay, yes. Right, so now we can go to the shop. So this is for the e-commerce module. And in here we can see that I have set the currency to rupiah, which is the one I prefer. But sometimes it's not always what's shown here in the beginning. So we need to make sure that we have shown the correct currencies for our customers. So to do that, we can go to setting and then go to price list and then see price list, and then you can see the list of the currencies here, or you can create a new one, like for example ADR. Then maybe you can choose the currency you need. So you can make sure that your customers have their currency in our options. Okay, so in here I choose rupiah, and then I go to configuration and make sure that it's selectable. So after I check the selectable, now it will shown in this list. And subsequently, if you want to remove an option from this list, for example I want to remove this public price list, then I can just untick the box. And for example euro, we can untick the box and save manually. And if we just refresh the site, okay, let's wait, then we can see that the euros has already been gone from the options. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then also now we can add some products here. So this is already from the database, but I'll show you what we need to configure at first if you don't have any products yet. So the first thing you need to make sure is you have made the e-commerce categories. So in here you can make the categories of your products. For example, maybe I have chairs, then I will make furniture first, and then I will make chairs as the subcategories, and choose furniture as parent, and so on and so on. And after that we can make the products and put it in certain categories. And also, okay, this was the price list we mentioned before. And also we can now see the attributes as we have in our scenario, where you can see that there is 3 attributes that we are going to focus here. in our products acoustic block screen. So first is there needs to be a legs, and then we need to add the color attribute and then also the size. All right, so we have that color, size, and legs. And then if you haven't had that, you need to press the create button, but I have created here, so let's just go through it. Let's see what's in legs. Now we can see that now we can add another value here, and yeah, in here there needs to be wooden legs and aluminum legs, so I've added wooden and aluminum. And you can also add another line. For example, you want to add metal, so on. Or if it needs to be custom value where the user can just input something there, you can just click the custom value button. All right, so yeah, and also you can change the display type by radio, pulse, select, or color. Okay, so just for the legs we can just choose radio. Maybe okay, later we can see how it looks for radio. And then now for color, yeah, you can also do the same and also choose the color here. For example, for brown we choose this one, and so on and so on. Okay, that's for color. And then there's also size. We choose radio button, and yep, there is our values: small, medium, large. Okay, so we have everything now for the attributes. Now we can just apply this attribute to our specific product. Okay, so we go to products and choose our products. So this is the one that we have also made in our products in our inventory module. So if you already made some before, then it will be available here too. Okay, so I will choose the acoustic block screen and press the attribute and variants. Okay, so in here you can just add a line and input the attributes you need. So in here I'll choose the legs. There is only 2 options for these products. There is steel and aluminum, although like in the master data, like there is other values for this attribute for legs, like there is wooden, metal, and so on. But in this case this product has only 2 of these attributes, so we need to customize it to fit our scenario, and then also for the color, and then also for the size. Okay, now we have done setting the product's attributes. So I guess this paragraph is done. And then for the next paragraph, we can see that there is a transaction, and in there the customer is applying the discount code. Okay, so now we need to go to e-commerce and go to the discount and loyalty. Oh, and before you search for that, maybe some of you already seen that this option is not available for you at first, because actually you have to enable it in setting. So go to configuration setting, and then make sure you check this box, discount, loyalty, and gift card. Okay, and yeah, now you can just go to that option and then create another loyalty and discount rows. And here I have made the buy 2 of 10, so it's this one, code for 10% on orders of minimum 2 items. Okay, I will choose that, and then yeah, you can choose the validity here. I set it until at the end of July, then the currency, and then choose what type of program is it. Like for example, for coupons, then you need to generate a number and then a unique number. and then the customer needs to enter it when they want to check out, or maybe loyalty cards that attach to certain individuals, or promotions, or discount code, so they need to input a certain code that we need to set up, and so on. Okay, so as this is a discount code, we will choose a discount code and set up the conditional rules. So in here we can put the discount code, so it was buy 2 of 10, so I'll enter just the same, exactly the same, and then also input a condition where it says that 2 items or more, so we can put 2 as the minimum quantity here. Okay, so this discount can only be applied if the customer already bought at least 2 items. Okay, and then you can also set up the discount here. So because it says to 10%, so I'll put the discount 10% on the order, or you can also make another rules like cheapest product, like some percentage of the cheapest product or specific product, or you can also put some numbers here, just unit, and so on. And there is also a discount limit, you can also put that here. Okay, and that's for our discount and loyalty. Now we have set those up, we can check how it looks in our website. So let's go through shops and find our product. So it's acoustic blow screen, it's this one, and then yep, so these are the attributes that we have set up before. There's steel, aluminum, and so on, and then you can choose the color and size. So in our scenario, we can see that the customer buys 1 medium size wooden legs, and so medium size white wooden legs. Okay, so but the legs steel and aluminum. Okay, so there is a bit, okay, we need to set up the attributes correctly. So we go to the products again, and then go to the, yep, in here. So because it doesn't fit, we can just customize the attributes again. So let's add the wooden, and it says there is no steel. Okay, but in here it wants metal legs, so let's just add another one, metal, and remove the steel. Okay, now we can go back, save manually, and then refresh the page. It will take some time to update it. Alright, now we can see that it has been updated, so we will just input as the customer wants, medium size, white wooden legs. Okay, so it's this one, add to cart, and then there's another medium size gray metal leg. Okay, add to cart. Then we can also put our discount code, let's say buy 2 of 10, apply. Okay, so it works because we have fulfilled the condition, we bought 2 items, and then there's a 10% off of the total orders, so it's 600, so the discount will be 60%, and then the customer only have to pay 540. Okay, so that's the scenario we have finished. So this is the end of this video. I hope this video helped you in some way, and thank you for watching.